Examination was held from 2nd April 2019 to 26th April 2019 at 21 centers across the state. Now, this year's result of April 2019 is 92.47%. So 18,684 students appeared, 17,278 students passed, and this result is 92.47%. So this is the highest result so far as the this examination is concerned. Boys, 9,215 boys appeared, passed 8,506, and pass percentage is 92.31%. Girls, 9,416 appeared, passed 8,772, and pass percentage is 92.64%. And percentage of candidate passing the examination with the help of sports merit marks is 1.61%. This time altogether 98 schools scored 100% results.